Hello everybody, welcome back to Black Country Diecast. Got something slightly different today. Well, not really that different, still a car. We're still going to make it look nice, but it's a bit bigger. There's some of it, because I took it apart and the wheels fell off. And there's the rest of it. It's a Corgi, Porsche 911 Turbo, a bit bigger than your standard Matchbox car. Have I got something to... There we go, there's a normal Matchbox. There's the size difference. But I reckon we can make this look pretty nice. So we've already drilled it. Tapped all the holes. So I'll take this screw out here. That's on the side. Already had some of the wheels cut. They're a bit worse for wear. No silver left on them, so I'll have to sort that out. Take that apart. Flimsy plastic base, as I found most Corgis are, but no one can do about that. Interior, pretty standard, 2 seats, steering wheel, nothing out of this world. Just give it a little clean, nothing major. Glass, pretty decent condition again, a few little scratches, but it is what it is. Again, bit of a clean up. And then the casting. Quite nice. Got a nice livery on it. Over Solido Denver Sportswear. There you go. But we'll stick this in the paint stripper, which I don't know where it is. I'll go and get that in a sec. And hopefully I've got enough paint stripper left to strip this, because like I say, it's quite a big casting, but let's go and get me paint stripper. Okay, there we go. We've got a bit left. Definitely going to need to get some more on top this off, but let's get him in there. Yeah, make sure he's not. Make sure he's all nice and coated up. Now on, give this a mix. I'm hoping I can get up to the local car boot tomorrow, pick up a few bargains to keep me going through the winter, because it is the last one of the year tomorrow, my local car boot. But the weather's not very good, and another local one's been cancelled. So here's hoping I can get out tomorrow and get a few cars. Not that I'm short of cars. I mean, picked up a few the other week. Got plenty to be going on with, but there's always room for more cars, isn't there? Of course there is. Put that over there. I mean, the main one, got this Nissan 300 ZX. That needs sorting because that paint job is just horrible. And then the main one I want to get sorted, the 3 Mini Coopers, red, white and blue. Get some Italian job action on the go. So it's not like I'm short of any cars, but it's always nice to add some more to the collection, especially at bargain price. But I digress. Let that Porsche sit in there for gonna give it a good 20 minutes. Get that paint stripped off. I'll give it a rub clean off and a rub down, and then spray it all up nice. I think these wheels need a bit of a rubbing. Try and get the silver pen on them. Bring them out a bit, but we'll sort that out in a bit. Let's get this paint off first and go from there. Alright, okay, it's been in the paint strip for a long time, so let's see what the Porsche is looking like now. Oh yes. Let's get a bit of zoom in action on the go there. Yeah, that's pretty strict. So let's go and give it a scrub off, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the paint stripped off the Porsche now, apart from a few little bits, but I'm sure we can scrape most of that off. Yeah, that'll come off nicely. So we'll give it a rub down now. There's my pad. There it is there. We'll give it the usual rub down. Get it nice and shiny. And then I was thinking making this maybe a retro version of I think it's the GT3 RS with the orange paint and the black stripes. I think I'm going to have a black stripe along the bottom and then a glossy orange finish. I think that'll look quite nice. In regards to the wheels, that's what they were looking like before. No silver left on them and rough. And I've given them a colour in with my silver pen. They still don't look brilliant, but they look better. And obviously my usual Matchbox alloys aren't going to fit because they're bigger, so that's going to have to be what I do. So I'll colour these ones in. Going to finish giving this a rub down and spray some black paint, then tape it all off and give it a orange top coat. I'll see you at the super high-tech spray booth, I think. Okay, here we are in the super high-tech spray booth again. You know the score by now. We're giving it some undercoat. Tamiya, fine surface primer, of course. Right, let's use up the rest of this can. You'll think about these pizza boxes, you can tell them. I think there's actually still some left in there, that's good. And I think what I'm going to go for, do a black strip around the bottom and bumpers down the side. I'm going to try and do a black spoiler as well. So I'll do that first, then tape all that off, and then do the rest of the body orange. How well it works, I don't know, but we'll see. Right, let's see if I can get this to work. Bit of gloss black around the sides, then we'll tape it all off and orange. Put some orange on later. Alright, leave that to dry. It's going to have to dry for a while before I can put masking tape on it, but we'll come back to it. Okay, so here are all the bits ready to be put back together. Nice and simple. Windscreen, interior, body and chassis and wheels. I decided against the orange because when I sprayed this metallic black, or not gloss black, sorry, I thought it looked fantastic, so I reckon with just the usual details painted in, I think that'll be absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to paint all the details in, put it back together, get some shots on my phone, and that'll be about it, I reckon.